everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a sprite not go through walls. First we have to create two variables called old x and old y. Then go to Events and take out a one green flag clipped block. Go to Variables and take out the Set My Variable to 0 block. Put it here. And then take the same block again and put it there. Change it to old x and old y. Set old x to x position and old y to y position. Then go to Control and take out a forever loop. Take out a if-then loop and put it inside the forever loop. Go to Sensing and take out a touching mouse pointer block and put it inside the if-then loop. Change it to the wall sprite. Then go to Motion and take out a Go To block and put it here. And then you want it to go to old x and old y. Do the same thing you did here over here. So I'm going to duplicate this. Throw this away and put this in here. Set it, change it to old x and old y. Then set old x to x position and old y to y position. Now it should work. It's not going through the walls. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. If you have any questions, write them down in the comments. Bye!